but she still got them.
It's like a movie scene, back-to-back machines, bitch Japanese, hoes coming threes. Drop the top on the Spider, we got a lot to see. Product of the dope gang, smell the aroma from the keys. A out call in the Florida Keys, just for an overnight, she charged the nigga 20 G. This Yellowstone costs an AMG, I play the key and push a GT to get from A to B. Life's a trip, the same hoes go choose when you got some chips. She fucking on the low, I let her go, cause I'm not a set. I'm smoked out.
Sup guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a little bit of a while since I picked up the camera. I just had to take a little bit of a break just to give myself a little bit of a breather. I thought taking a break would allow me to take some time to focus on myself for a little bit so I could come back and create even better for you guys once I do return. I hope you guys enjoy the new content. Lots of cool things on the way. I've got lots of really cool ideas planned with the squad. Yes sir. Yeah, that looks sweet.
Feels so gay.
I know. Tell me, bro. Tell me about it. Something to get used to, eh?
Yeah.
Well, it's more like it's just part of the helmet.
Right.
And when you bang bitches, you just get helmet. No.
Gotta put the helmet on.
We'll meet the bros at the church car park over there, and then we'll head it to Richmond.
Yep.
We'll follow you guys.
Sounds good.
Yep.
Sup, cuzzies?
Hey, bro.
How are we?
Yeah, I'm good, man. How are you?
Yeah, good man, good.
That sounds crazy.
Shut up, bro.
It sounds crazy.
It's nuts, eh?
Yeah, it is.
I showed my parents that video when I came with you, and they're like, fuck, he's doing 140. I was like, is that not normal?
Nah, especially in big convoys, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
In the middle of the day.
Yeah, no, in the middle of town too, yeah.
Cops.
I'm gonna do 90 through residentials.
I can't wait. Send that throttle back in a roundabout.
Who wants to go to the highway to do highway speed?
Straight up.
Hard.
Cheers, bro.
What's the name, sorry?
Zane.
Rowan.
Rowan, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, you too, you too. What
Well,
kind
hey,
of
I could have
C63.
the one up here at 120.
Shut up, bro. I appreciate that.
Sweet boys, we'll see you on the road. Yeah, man.
So what's the go? What cars do you just want to jump on?
So, we're just going to the car wash now, eh?
Yeah.
Get you on the road, bro. So, I'm going to jump on yours.
Sounds good, bro.
I
Sounds
want to start
good.
on yours, eh?
Fucking oath.
Everybody.
Be rude not to, man.
Someone apparently has
Yeah,
Got some head turns.
definitely. Classic New Zealand cuisine. Mince and cheese pie. Cannot complain at all. Looking much better. Do you want some Thai shine, my bro?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Got some.
That's sick.
That's buzzy, eh?
Yeah, it's real cool.
Fucking transformer.
I had a real so if you just got this straight through.
to get some rollers tonight too.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, it's dead. Oh no. She'll be right.
Just, I guess, in between, just keep charging
So I
it.
want to have a colour grade. See ya.
You want to just turn on your hazards when you want me to come up behind?
Sounds good. That's a good idea, brother. Good? So tough. Yeah. Dog!
This thing is crazy.
Sick, eh? We'll head out to the spot if you want to follow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Doza made it.
Second location's popping off.
Yeah.
It's a nice spot. I've never actually been down this road.
Get S 1000R.
That's such
Oh, the sun's perfect. Get the sun in now. Like right here's perfect. Look at that. This is so weird. Oh, yo, like right here. Look at that.
That is mental.
Lemon lime, bittersweet, tastes like a sour patch. Nodded out, trying to catch a wink, took me a power nap.
Good like 40, 50.
They keep telling lies about what they got. Ooh, I hate your city panty shop. And if I'm on it, it's a bop. I got money, I just cop. I think I'm too rich to fucking talk to ya. We live in different lives, get out my message, ooh, yeah. Me and Doza getting rich, it's fucking obvious. Yeah, I don't think that they get how we live it, y'all trippin'. I bought my mama car, you bought her nothing expensive. What's the difference? Difference is we out here winning, getting millions. Yeah, she gon' take my children, then she coming home.
Yeah. This is so fucking baller right now. This is sick. saw the security guard. I don't know if you guys saw that, but he did not look too happy at all. That was fucking sick.
That was mean,
That was sick as fuck.
sick.
Fucking oath, bro.
Oh, man.
Good shit. That was sick. Me too, man. That was baller as fuck.
As soon as I saw that high vis, bro, I was like, yeah, that's alright.
He did not look happy,
Didn't do
eh?
anything illegal.
Nah. We'll just take off and fucking... We didn't hurt anybody. That is lovely. That's fucking stunning. Oh, lovely. Are you gonna eat that for dinner? Eat that for dinner, that'll do. Fucking what a great day of shooting content. It's been such a beautiful day. Fucking look at that. That's stupid quick, eh?
Yeah. This is stock.
No. Long tube stainless steel headers.
Yeah.
Full stainless exhaust to the back. The only thing on the exhaust that's factory is the rear mufflers.
Yeah.
And then tuned.
Yeah, right.
It makes probably just over 550 horsepower. Maybe 570, but I haven't dynoed it. It could make 580, but it's... I don't know. That's just a...
It's really fast enough to be fair.
Yeah. At the factory it comes 451 horsepower.
Factory?
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. What a fucking beautiful spot.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
So it's no one I trust. I don't love niggas, I just be in lust. Thank God I'm rich, I was just on a bus. Now I feel on a boat. Yeah, I got slim, but I still eat my oats. Take me a nigga that give bitches hope. They watch him out cause you know what I told. Next to me down and shit, it's just like water. You niggas fuck cause I'm my mother's daughter. Find no shit, her money got taller. Rappers ain't shit, I might fuck with a baller. Might fuck with a scammer. Festival folks like I'm in a Montana. Sold out show when I be in Atlanta. Tweaking together like Ruler Santana.